Happy Wednesday, everyone. Let's get into it because Russia just made one of the biggest crypto moves of the year. Russia's central bank approved Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT for public trading on domestic exchanges, meaning one of the largest economies on the planet just formally opened its crypto markets to everyday citizens. The CFTC says it will proceed with digital asset rulemakings even if the Clarity Act doesn't pass, and a White House official reaffirmed the administration remains fully committed to getting the bill across the finish line in September, so regulation is coming one way or another regardless of legislative timing. President Trump is considering lowering the capital gains tax, which would be a massive catalyst for every investment asset, including crypto, if it happens. The US Strategic Petroleum Reserve fell by another 6.1 million barrels last week to 298.7 million, breaking below 300 million for the first time since January 1983. So America's emergency oil cushion is now at a level that should genuinely concern people. Spot gold rose nearly 1% to $4,408. Credit card balances 90 days or more delinquent hit 12.9%, near the highest since 2011. Student loan and auto loan delinquencies are also elevated, and a top Fed official admitted poorer Americans are struggling to make ends meet. There are now over 1.1 million homes for sale, the highest inventory since 2019, so the housing market keeps loosening while mortgage rates stay near 7%, creating a standoff between sellers and buyers. S&P 500 earnings are expected to surge 32% in 2026, more than double the start of year forecast. Morgan Stanley sees a $600 bull case for SpaceX, and Anthropic is now projected to IPO before the end of October. BlackRock says tokenization is the next generation for markets. Bank of Korea's senior deputy governor signaled an additional rate hike, and ProCap Financial's CEO said with continued money printing, Bitcoin is going to keep going up over the long run. In altcoin news, MoneyGram ramps went live on Solana, giving builders access to its global fiat infrastructure with cash deposits in over 25 countries and withdrawals in over 170, which is real-world crypto utility at massive scale. Robinhood Chain is doing over 10 times the daily app revenue of Base. GMGN flipped both Pump.Fun and Hyperliquid in 24-hour revenue, and Fox rallied 60% on Robinhood Chain. Make sure to follow, and I'll catch you right back here tomorrow.